Welcome to today's lesson. Today we shall be learning about adding like fractions. Like fractions are two or more fractions that have the same denominator. Examples: we have adding like fractions. Two or more fractions that have the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 2/5 and 3/5 are like fractions because the denominators are what? Equal denominators. Okay. Fractions just basically can be taken as people sharing some number of items. For example, the first fraction says that 5 people are sharing 2 items. And the second fraction says that the same 5 people are sharing 3 items. To add these two fractions, let's take example number 1. 2/5 plus 3/5. Okay, that means 5 people are sharing 2 items, and that same 5 people are sharing 3 items. Okay, because they are the same 5 people, the number of people who are going to share the items will remain the same. They will remain what? 5. Okay, however, the number of items they are going to share will be 2 plus 3. This will give me 5 out of what? 5. Means 5 people are sharing 5 things. If you want to go further, say if 5 people are sharing 5 things, then each person will get what? 1. Then each person will get 1 item. Then we have solved our problem. Example number 2. Example number 2 will be, let's say I have 2/4 plus 1/4. We said they are like fractions because they have what? The same denominator. You can interpret this fraction as 4 people working for somebody and the person give them 2 things to share. That same 4 people are going to work for another person and the person gave them 1 item to share. So the number of people who are going to share the items will remain what? The same. So my denominator, which is the number of people who are going to share the thing, will remain what? 4. Okay. However, the number of items they are going to share will be the one that was given them by the first person plus those given by what? The second person. In that case, we are going to have 2 plus 1, which will give us 3, all over what? 4. That will mean that these 4 people, these same 4 people, have now 3 things to share. Okay, then we go to example number 3. Example number 3. Let's see, I have 7 out of 12 plus 5, 3 out of 12. The first fraction says that 12 people are sharing 7 things. And the same 12 people have 3 things somewhere else to share. In all, these same 12 people will remain here. And this is the same 12, same 12, same 12 people repeating itself. But the number of things they are going to share will be 7 plus 3. This will give us 10 over what? 12. Okay. It doesn't matter how many fractions are involved. Once the denominators are the same, or once they are like fractions, we can add them. Let's say we have example number 4. I have 2 over 15, that is 15 people sharing 2 things, plus 5 over 15, that is 15 people sharing 5 things, plus 3 over 15 people sharing 3 things. This will be equal to the same 15 people, the same 15 people, the same 15 people, the same 15 people. However, the number of items that they are going to share will be the one that they were given first, 2, plus the one that they were given second, 5, plus the one that they were given third, which will be what? 3. This will be 7 plus 3, which is 10, out of what? 15. So now what we are saying is that now these 15 people have 10 things to share. Thank you for listening. I hope I've made your day. Thank you.